Hi everyone, so today is Saturday and we are going to make butter chicken, but I'm adding red peppers and onions, and then my husband is dicing up some turkey breast because that's what we had. And then we're going to simmer it with the sauce. I've never made it before and I just added some vegetables because I just wanted some vegetables. It's not traditional by any means, but I just figured these flavors would go good together. You guys, I had to change my pot yet again. I got a way bigger one. This is a lot of food. We have that jar of the butter chicken simmer sauce, and then I have 3 pouches. I'm going to cook this up, put the sauce, let it simmer, and then I cannot wait. David's making some rice. I have some cilantro. I don't know if that's authentic to put on top of it or not, but I'm going to do it because it sounds good. Just trying out new recipes and new flavors. And then Costco just delivered, so we have some, I think it's naan bread that I got from there that I don't know if I'm supposed to heat that up. Maybe we're supposed to heat that up. I'm not sure. We have this. I might have to look it up. I might have to heat it up. I don't know. Do you put it in the oven? Do you not? But I did get one more thing from Costco that we've tried for the first time. And oh my God, you guys, let me show you. I don't know if you guys have tried this before, but it's so good. It's like a garlic lemon spread. It is so good. Oh my gosh. This is the ingredients and stuff. And this is what it's kind of like whipped garlic spread with a little bit of lemon. It's very refreshing. It's not too garlicky. So I am going to spread that on my naan bread. I wonder if I should put that in the air fryer with, I don't know, but I am so excited, so excited for this meal, and this is gonna go on everything. I don't know, I'm just really happy with this. This was, I think, 8 something because I had it delivered from Costco. Not bad. And even if I'm the only one that eats it in my family, I will reorder. Okay, here's my plate, you guys. It smells fabulous. So what I did with the pita bread, the naan bread, I did put it in the air fryer just a little bit, and then I spread that garlic sauce. We have a whole bunch. Maybe I shouldn't have made this much because we've never had Indian food before. And so I wasn't sure if it's good or not, but oh, you guys, it's so good. And then here's more naan bread, and then we do have rice, and we're gonna dig in and enjoy. So it is Sunday, and for dinner I am making spaghetti. 3 pounds of ground beef I'm using, and 3 jars of Prego sauce. If we need more, we'll get more, and I'm using 2 pounds of spaghetti. I'm hoping for a huge pot to have leftovers and maybe freeze some. We have some leftover, well, we had a lot of leftover butter chicken. We ate a bunch last night, everybody ate, and then we ate for lunch today, and we have some for tomorrow, which I don't mind. I really enjoyed it. I actually put it in some butter lettuce, like just the chicken itself, and I had that for lunch. It was delicious. But I'm making spaghettis, hoping for extras for tomorrow, trying to use things up from the pantry, from the freezer, and then I have 3 huge onions, and then I have a little bit of olive oil that I'm going to use. Probably won't be able to finish it for the spaghettis, but trying to get that container out of the pantry. And that's what's going on, and just simple spaghettis for Sunday night. Here's the spaghetti. I did hit it with a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano, and we have a huge pot, and the older kids, when they get home from church, are going to just dig in. The little ones are already gonna dig in. This is Lucas's plate, and we will see. So it's Monday, and we're having spaghettis, leftover spaghettis. So I wanted to show you what I'm making for lunch really quick. That's gonna be dinner, spaghettis. These are frozen veggies, stir-fry veggies from Costco. Frozen Italian-style meatballs from Costco, and I have some orange sauce that was open, so I'm gonna put that over it, and that's what we're gonna eat, kind of like a low carb. And I'm really excited about that. My mouth is watering. I was going to make rice, but I didn't. I figured the veggies and the meat will be. All right, here's my lunch. I put some green onions from our garden on top, and it smells delicious. I put just a little bit of that orange sauce. Oh, I did put a teaspoon of that Toom garlic and lemon, like puree, and it just smells fantastic. So this is what I did with the spaghettis. I just turned it into a little casserole. The kids have already dug in, and then I want to show you guys, I prepared a little breakfast casserole. This is just eggs, a little bit of cottage cheese. Even though I'm trying to go away from dairy, I put a little bit of cottage cheese. Hopefully it'll be okay. And then I sauteed peppers, onions, garlic, spinach, salt and pepper, turmeric. And what I'm going to do is, this is probably going to deflate, but I'm going to let it cool and then cut it into pieces. And that's going to be breakfast with some fruit, high protein, low carb. And okay, guys, so today is Tuesday, and I had 4 ears of corn that I put in the crock pot for the kids. And then I took out shepherd's pie because that's what they're going to have, and it's going to be great. And I'm also going to make a low carb egg roll in a bowl. So that's going to be extra food for whoever wants it. And this is just thawing out. This was in my freezer meal prepped. And that's what we have going on so far. And I'll show you guys when it's all cooked up. I forgot to show you guys my breakfast casserole, how it turned out yesterday. I let it completely cool, and then we just cut it into little slices. Look at that. They're kind of like those little things you can get from Starbucks, like the egg bites, only instead of using the muffin tins and dealing with that, I just put it in a big pan, and it turned out really delicious. And it's very fluffy. And for that big pan that you guys saw, we used 30 eggs, which is a lot. Okay, so here's my egg roll in a bowl. I did hit it with a little bit of yum yum sauce. I used sesame oil, rice vinegar, and then soy sauce. And then I also put these black sesame seeds. The cabbage is still a little bit crunchy. It is so good. I used ground turkey, and we are gonna dig in. This is smelling delicious, and my kids are actually super excited to dig in. I did add extra carrots and extra celery. I almost forgot to show the shepherd's pie that I made. It is Tuesday night, and the kids devour this. I had the egg roll in a bowl, and my husband and the other kids too, but then they also ate shepherd's pie. And again, this was just a frozen meal that I popped in the oven, and they enjoyed it, and it's pretty much gone. Somebody will take 2 bites and they'll be gone. And that is it. We will see you tomorrow. All right, so it is Wednesday. I was going to say Tuesday. It's Wednesday morning. And in the crock pot, I have some bones that were off of a rotisserie chicken from Costco, some carrots that needed to be used up, celery, garlic, onion, ginger, turmeric, salt, pepper, all the good stuff. And I put a little bit of apple cider vinegar just to get all the nutrients out of the bones. And this is going to go on high for a long time and make a delicious broth. Okay, so I want to show you guys my lunch. I made these stuffed bell peppers. They're crunchy. I used a little bit of this cilantro lime crema, and then some rotisserie chicken from Costco, arugula, tomatoes, and cilantro, and I cannot wait to dig in. It looks fantastic. I saw it on YouTube, and I'm going to give it a go. All right, so here's the 2 frozen pizzas. I made 2 of them. Well, there's one, or part of one, because one's already eaten. The kids ate that. And then I'm also making my little Alfredo casserole. I'll show you guys in a minute. Okay, so here's my casserole. I put broccoli. I sauteed the mushrooms and the rice cauliflower and added some fresh garlic. I put that in there. I put rotisserie chicken from Costco, just cut up a bunch. Alfredo sauce, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of mozzarella cheese. I do need to find some like good dairy-free cheeses because I get very mucusy. I know, too much information from dairy, but I didn't put that much, so hopefully I will be okay. But I'm going to cover this up and then put it in the oven at 375 till it's warmed through because everything is pretty much cooked. I've never made this, but I saw it on Pinterest, I saw it on YouTube, and it looked delicious. Can you guys hear those little bubbles? Look at that. This smells fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I'm going to let it sit a little bit so that the cheese can kind of harden up a little bit and the sauce can be nice and thick, but it smells fabulous. It's a whole meal. You got your veggies, you got your protein, you got your sauce, your cheese, your dairy, everything. So I cannot wait to dig in. My mouth is watering. Okay, so today is Thursday and I'm making stuffed bell peppers. This is taco meat with cauliflower rice, with beans, cilantro, seasoning, and I'm gonna stuff them in here and put them in. All right, dinner is in the crock pot. I put a little bit of water at the bottom, and I also put a little bit of salsa at the bottom just for some flavor. And my lunch, this is the leftover taco stuffing that I put into the bell peppers. Now I know beans are not low carb, but I don't mind. I'm not following keto or anything like that. I'm just trying to cut a few things here and there, and this is beautiful and it's going to be delicious. I also made that Alfredo casserole yet again. I just popped it in the oven because my husband requested it and my kids requested it. They're like, please make it again. It was so good that they're craving it. So I'll probably have to do a video on that coming up because it is very, very good. Even if you're not eating low carb or not, it's just delicious. Same casserole I made yesterday, I made today. It's on repeat. I just took it out of the oven and it smells fantastic. Let me show you guys the bell peppers. One is already out because Noah already ate it, but they turned out fantastic, super easy. And I'm gonna have one, we each get one, and I'm gonna dig in and we will see you guys tomorrow. So I wanna show you guys what I'm getting things out of the freezer for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. I have this half a turkey and I don't know if I'm just gonna stick it in the crock pot or if I'm gonna put it in the oven, but we're gonna have that. And then I have like instant mashed potatoes and like sweet potatoes, instant mashed potatoes and salad. And then I also found this hummus that's been in there, so I'm taking it out, putting it in the fridge so we can eat it up and really trying to use things up. And I got these on super great sale at Walmart after Thanksgiving. They were ridiculous how cheap they were, so I have a lot of these. But because it's hard to like eat a whole turkey, I don't know. We just cut it in half and this is exactly how I had it in the freezer and I think it's fine. So I'm gonna put this in the sink so I can thaw out. You guys, it's still Friday. My other crock pot, after 2 hours, I noticed that it wasn't heating up. It broke. So I had this in a box. It came with a little one too. I got it from back after Thanksgiving, like the Black Friday sale. I got this one and like the little one for like $30 or $50. So it's brand new in a box. So I was able to take my turkey and put it in here. It's finally done. I made some instant mashed sweet potatoes. Never had it before. We'll see. And some Caesar salad. Let me plate. All right, here it is. The mashed potatoes looks like baby food. It smells a little bit sweet, like cinnamon. I haven't tried them yet, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna like those, but Caesar salad with some croutons and cheese and all, and turkey. And then I'll try the mashed potatoes. We'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, so Saturday morning we're starting off with eggs. I put some cottage cheese, some mushrooms, seasoning, spinach, just kind of whatever I had. And I'm hoping for leftovers to put in the fridge to have for, oh, and bacon bites to have for a quick high protein. So Saturday I have 2 shepherd's pie. The kids already got into it. And I'm also making chicken noodle soup for a kid who's not feeling too good. I hope you guys enjoyed this week of What's for Dinner, and we will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.